Lisbon, the sunlit capital of Portugal, is a city that feels like a living postcard. With its cobblestone streets, pastel-colored buildings, and stunning views of the Tagus River, it's a place that promises adventure at every turn. From the soulful sounds of fado music to the tantalizing aroma of freshly baked pastéis de nata, Lisbon is a sensory feast that captivates all who visit. But even in a city as enchanting as this, there are pitfalls that can dampen your experience if you're not careful. This guide dives into the 10 things you absolutely shouldn't do in Lisbon, offering tips to help you uncover its true essence and create memories you'll cherish forever. One, don't stick only to tourist hotspots. While iconic monuments like the Belém Tower, Jerónimos Monastery, and São Jorge Castle are must-sees, focusing solely on them may limit your experience. Lisbon's allure resides in its lesser-known areas, hidden alleys, and local hangouts. Alfama, with its winding streets, is a living testimony to Lisbon's Moorish heritage. The Graça area gives a more relaxed atmosphere with breathtaking views such as Miradouro da Senhora do Monte, whilst Manteigaria reflects Lisbon's historic fishing and working-class heritage. In these regions, you'll see inhabitants going about their everyday lives, visit gorgeous courtyards, and hear traditional fado music performed live in intimate venues. Taking the time to explore these hidden gems allows you to experience the city's true pulse. Pro tip: venture into LX Factory, a repurposed industrial complex now buzzing with art studios, shops, and eateries. Don't miss the Feira da Ladra flea market, where you can hunt for vintage treasures, antiques, and unique souvenirs. Two, don't ignore public transport options. The hills and winding streets of Lisbon can be difficult to explore on foot. Ignoring the city's great public transportation system means losing out on unforgettable experiences like riding Tram 28, which runs past ancient areas like Alfama, Baixa, and Estrela. This historic tram provides a lovely and economical way to explore the city's sights. Lisbon's metro system is clean and fast, providing convenient access to outlying locations such as Parque das Nações. The funiculars, such as Elevador de Glória and Elevador de Bica, are both practical and enjoyable means to navigate the high slopes, while boats crossing the Tagus River offer stunning views of the city's cityscape. Pro tip: purchase a Viva Viagem card to streamline your travel and save money. Consider taking the ferry to Cascais and walking along the riverside promenade to Cristo Rei for a panoramic view of Lisbon. 3. Don't eat at restaurants near major tourist sites. Dining at eateries near popular attractions often results in pricey meals that lack authenticity. Instead, look for local tascas with Portuguese meals and a welcoming, unpretentious ambience. These family-run restaurants serve traditional Portuguese cuisine such as sardinhas assadas, grilled sardines, and cozido à portuguesa, a hearty stew. Another great alternative is to explore Lisbon's food markets. The Mercado de Ribeira, Time-Out Market, is a dynamic location that serves a hand-picked range of food from some of the city's top chefs, whereas the Mercado de Campo de Ourique offers a more local and less busy atmosphere. Pro tip: avoid menus with photos or aggressive touts outside. They are generally indicators of tourist traps. For an authentic meal, look for bustling eateries packed with locals during lunchtime. 4. Don't visit only during peak season. The summer months offer scorching heat, long lines, and overcrowded attractions. While Lisbon's beauty shines all year, the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, provide milder weather and less people. During these quieter months, you can visit popular places such as Sintra's Pena Palace and the Monastery of Jerónimos without having to deal with large crowds. Winter has its own appeal, with warm cafes selling steaming mugs of bica and seasonal delights such as boelore. The holiday season transforms Lisbon with festive lights and decorations, making it an enjoyable time to visit. Pro tip: if you visit during the summer, organize your day carefully. To avoid the heat and congestion, visit outdoor sites early in the morning or late in the afternoon, leaving the middle of the day for indoor activities or leisurely lunches. Five, don't underestimate the hills. Even experienced tourists often struggle with Lisbon's steep inclines. Failure to prepare can lead to tiredness, so be sure to wear appropriate walking shoes and pace yourself. The city's miradouros, or viewpoints, such as Miradouro da Senhora do Monte, provide an ideal opportunity to relax while admiring beautiful views of the city in the Tagus River. Pro tip: use the city's elevators and funiculars, which are not only useful but also iconic. Elevator de Santa Justa, for example, serves as both a historic landmark and an observation platform. 6. Don't skip trying Portuguese pastries. Lisbon's culinary prestige is incomplete without its pastries, particularly the well-known Pastéis de nata. While Pastéis de Belém is well known, the city has many bakeries where these creamy custard tarts are as delicious. Combine them with a shot of bica for a classic Lisbon treat. Aside from Pastéis de nata, try regional pastries like travesseiros, flaky pillows of almond cream, from Sintra, or queijadas, little cheesecakes, for a more diverse taste of Portuguese desserts. Pro tip: visit Manteigaria, another renowned venue for Pastéis de nata, to see the pastries being created fresh on site. Seven. Don't forget to learn basic Portuguese phrases. Although English is widely spoken in tourist areas, a little effort to learn Portuguese can go a long way in creating a positive interaction with locals. Simple phrases like desculpe, excuse me, and quanto custa, how much does it cost, can make daily exchanges smoother. Engaging with the language also allows for a deeper connection with the culture, whether you're ordering at a cafe, shopping at a market, or asking for directions. Pro tip: download language learning apps like Duolingo or Memrise for quick and convenient practice before your trip. 8. Don't overlook Lisbon's surroundings. Lisbon's environs are full of breathtaking vistas that enhance the city experience. Sintra, with its fairy-tale castles and verdant scenery, is a must-see UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cascais, a picturesque seaside town located just a short train journey away, provides sandy beaches, tasty seafood, and a laid-back atmosphere. A journey to the Setúbal region offers wine lovers the opportunity to sample local wines while enjoying magnificent vistas. Arabida Natural Park, with its gorgeous beaches and hiking trails, is another neighboring treasure worth discovering. Pro tip: to avoid the crowds at Pena Palace, book train tickets to Sintra ahead of time and arrive early. Rent a bike in Cascais and take a leisurely ride along the coastline to Cabo de Roca. 9. Don't be afraid to try local drinks. Lisbon's drinking culture is just as diverse as its cuisine. Ginjinha, a cherry liqueur served in miniature glasses, is a must-try. This sweet and somewhat tangy beverage is a hallmark of Lisbon's culinary culture. Other local specialties include vinho verde, a light and pleasant wine, and amendoa amarga, a sweet almond liqueur commonly served as a digestive. Pro tip: visit a Ginjinha, one of Lisbon's oldest gin bars, in Rocio Square. For a modern twist, serve your Ginjinha in a chocolate cup. 10. Don't rush your visit. Lisbon's allure stems from its laid-back atmosphere and diverse cultural offerings. Packing too much into a short trip can lead to missing out on the spirit of the place. Allow time to sit at a cafe, watch the trams pass by, and absorb the ambience of lively squares such as Praça do Comércio or Rocio. Evenings are best spent relaxing at a local restaurant or listening to live Fado music in a cozy environment. Accept the slower periods to connect more fully with Lisbon's distinct personality. Pro tip: allow at least 3 to 4 days for your visit, with a mix of arranged activities and loosely organized exploring. If possible, extend your stay to include day trips to neighboring sites. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll not only have a smoother trip but also gain a deeper appreciation for Lisbon's rich culture, history, and charm. Enjoy your adventure in this captivating city.